Hello and welcome to day number 126 of our Travel Trader series, and today I'm going to reveal the name of the cat. Actually, we got two cats, but I'll do that later. First of all, I'll give you a little update on our trading. So our index trading today went very well. I put 3 trades on, and the first one was a quick win, but not too much money, so we made €120. Our second trade was a positive €730, and the third one was positive €675, and that made us in total €1,525. So that's a great result for a single day. Also, I closed 2 trades and offsetted some of the losses against our former earnings. So I closed the copper trade, and Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Copper was negative €1,009.10, and Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar was closed at minus €382.24, as it didn't look too good in the morning after Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar traded. So they are some hours ahead of us, and therefore I decided to close these down. But we still have a profit of €133.66. Our other trades are getting along quite well as well. So corn is getting better with a negative of 190 instead of 500 something from yesterday. Wheat is in the positive at plus €340. We got a silver trade, which is still kind of going up and down, sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Right now we are down $422.50. We got a zinc trade open with $877.50 negative. We got a cotton trade, which is positive €51.80, which is quite good. So we wait for cotton prices to go further down and make more money. We have 2 trades in US dollars. So we got US dollar, Canadian dollar, which is positive $613.80, and US dollar, Singapore dollar, which is another $100.80 in positive, but that's Singapore dollar, so that's I think roughly 50 something euro, if I'm correct. So in total we set off our theoretical losses that we didn't take yet, and our positions are doing way better today than they did yesterday. So we're down minus €507. However, these trades are still unfolding due to the spread that we are paying. All our trades start in a slight negative anyway, so we're getting better and better, and having some nice great results with our index trading today, where we made €1,525, and we will continue to do so tomorrow and the coming days, and add a little bit more of substance to our portfolio. So actually, I don't know if you saw it, but recently I asked you for names for a little baby cat that is coming around here, and actually it's 2 different ones. They look very similar, but it's 2 little cats, so that was quite easy, so I didn't have to decide for one name. So we are calling now one of the cats is forex, and the other cat will be named, or is named, Dollar, and very soon I'll put up a few more videos of them while they are playing. They're still very shy, so every time you approach them or they hear you or see you, they are running away. However, in the coming days, I'm happy to post a few videos of forex and dollar, and of course keep you updated on our trading as well. And looking forward to the next webinars. One for my students, which I do like once in a month. I do a deeper webinar for a certain topic, which will be tomorrow. And then we have a public free webinar coming up on the 20th, where we will talk about the upcoming or potentially upcoming euro crisis, and see how we can benefit from these things, what to trade, what not to trade, or if you are living in the euro area, how to make sure that you don't lose your net worth when the euro, or if the euro should go down in value. So that's May 20th, and I will post the links here. If you are on the website or registered for the email list, you will get an automatic email anyway telling you where to register and giving you the details for that webinar as well. And yeah, that's basically it from my side for today. Thank you very much for watching. Talking to you again tomorrow. Had some nice trading results today. Looking forward to continue them tomorrow, and we'll give you an update about it as well. Thank you very much. Have a great evening and goodbye.